Hi friends, welcome to Just Home Samyal. Today we will be seeing the recipe of banana cake. Let's start with the ingredients first. For this we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. For this half cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. Together I have used 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of melted butter. For this 1 egg and half cup of milk. 2 ripe bananas, medium-sized bananas, and vanilla essence along with baking soda and baking powder. These are the ingredients we needed for this cake. Okay, let's start doing it. First, peel off the banana and cut bananas into pieces. Okay, actually we have to just make it as a paste, so I'm just cutting it small slices. Okay, now using a masher we will just make it as a paste without any that solid bananas. We'll just make it as a paste. Okay, it's ready. Now we will add in 1 egg along with yellow yolk. Okay, just mix together. Use a hand blender, that's enough. Whisk it nicely so that it both combines well. Add white sugar, which I told you 1/4 cup of white sugar and half cup of brown sugar. So this would be a the minimum, like it's a normal sweet. If you need a little more sweet, you can use 2 to 3 tablespoons extra of sugar. Okay, now everything is combined together. Add in butter. Let it be a melted butter. I have used 1/3 cup of butter here. Okay, now it's mixed nicely. Okay, add in vanilla essence. It's 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence is mixed. Finally, add in milk, half cup of boiled and cooled milk. That's it. These are the wet ingredients. We are just making it ready. Okay, mix it nicely and keep it aside. Take another bowl. We will keep the dry ingredients now. Half teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda, along with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it well. Just mix it enough. Now we will add in the wet ingredients. Like we have mixed everything now. Like we will just mix it into this. That's it. We will just we will just mix it softly. Let's not use the blender. This is just a binding method. We will just use a flat spatula and mix it together until we get a smooth, creamy batter. Yeah, it should be in running consistency. If you use the proper measurement, it will be in this consistency only. Okay, by the time I have kept a pan with greased, use 3/4 of this thing. Tap it well on the floor, and I have already kept the kadai preheated. Keep it for 25 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, using a skewer or toothpick, you can just check it for its baking condition. Yeah, it's baked well. Okay, free the sides. Just then put it in a cooler wrecker. Yes, that's it. It's ready. It's very spongy actually. Once it is cooled, cut it into slices. It will be so soft and delicious. You can make it within 45 minutes. That's it. Well cooked and spongy. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Just Home Samyal. Thank you.